The APC and others who rushed to condemn President Jonathan for a non-existent indiscretion will have found, if they took the least trouble to double-check, that there was absolutely no factual basis for their accusation. Those who associate with Senator Sharif know that he has long-standing interest in Chad and often spends a lot of time in that country. He happened to be in N'Djamena at the time of President Jonathan's visit, and what happened was that he joined other Nigerian residents of the Chadian capital in coming to the airport to welcome their president. That was the full extent of his participation in the visit. And it was also at the N'Djamena International Airport that the pictures, which formed the basis of the bogus allegation of President Jonathan hobnobbing with an accused sponsor of terrorism, were taken. The former governor's presence in Chad was certainly not at President Jonathan's instance, and he did not participate in any of the president's discussions with President Idris Deby Itno or his other engagements in N'Djamena. President Jonathan is fully aware of the allegation made against Senator Sharif by Stephen Davis. That allegation is already being investigated by the security agencies, who will make their findings known to the public in due course. The President would like to assure all Nigerians that he has not willfully taken any action that could prejudice the outcome of that ongoing inquiry. He seizes this opportunity to reassure all Nigerians once again of his total commitment to doing all within his powers to bring all identified and verified sponsors of terrorism to justice and ending the menace of violent extremism in the country.